folks, let's open the package. Okay. Folding side tray. Oh boy. So, I hope that you watched our previous video on the Harbor Freight haul where I actually went and got this. So, yes, nuts and bolts are stuck up inside there. So, anything? You folks see anything? Okay, I don't either. Okay, let's see. What do we got going on? Let's... Well, heck, this is self-explanatory. Just bolt it on. Okay, folks. This might be a short video. I love it. And as you folks have probably come to realize, I don't really like editing. So I try and make all this stuff raw for you. So, well, what we're gonna need a 13 mil. We're gonna need a 13 mil. And we're gonna need our long handle ratchet because I torque everything down like He-Man, just at the very blunt edge of braking. Let's set that off to the side. So, okay, so what it sounds like here is that the side holes here, let me back you folks up. So what it sounds like in the instructions, once I do that, need to see, these ones here and these ones back here are the ones you're going to want to take out. So, we're going to take these ones out. Da, 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 da. So, okay, let me check. These nuts and bolts might be longer than the ones coming out. No, they're the same size. So, either A, they don't want us to reuse hardware, or B, they just threw those in just in case. Which, that's nice because then I can use that for up top. So comment down below, which do you think it is? Do you think it's the fact that they don't want us reusing hardware? Or do you think that they just sent it for willy-nilly? Part of me says, yeah, fasteners look good. I guess some people just don't know when to click. You know, the torque wrench in their head just is set for 500 foot-pounds. Put that 6-foot bar on it. So, it ain't tight until you put the 6-foot bar on it. So, hey, there's plenty of people out there that do that. And, you know, I can understand. They've got good reasoning for it, you know. Now, those people that put anti-seize on everything, they quit doing it. Quit frickin' doing it. Ooh, this might actually work for us to do it. And now, okay. Okay. Ow. That was my hand. Come on. Now, these are carriage-headed bolts, so just keep that in mind that you gotta line up the square. Oh, that works nice, the wall holding us. Okay. Okay. And again, let's do it again, Uncle Oni. Uncle Eddie, what are we doing? You gotta spend some time. Well, this is actually going on a heck of a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. Come on. Alrighty. Now that I got those two started, put the bottom ones in. Top one over there I gotta come back around and redo. So, one more bolt. Make sure that goes in the correct way. There. Okay. And I'd say just snug them up by hand. Awesome. Awesome. Nice work surface. Put the... Yay! Now I'm going to pretty much crisscross pattern this so that yes, because let me get you in here. I wanted to show you this. This bolt is loose. That one's loose. So that's kind of why I wanted to torque these in a, well, tighten them down in a crisscross pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach in here, make sure that it's in the tab, in the square hole and square peg. We're going to and once I get these tight, I'm going to come back around like this. And, yep, there we go. There we go, folks. Nice work surface. Yay. And it is truly one-handed operation, as you can see. Let me back you up and I'll show you again. So they are not lying. Put it down, pull it up, take your hand, voila. Now, and as you can see, folks, I'll bring you over. The blue does match. It matches perfectly. So, they got their color palette just perfect, in my opinion. So, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and see you on the next one.